But being typical Kenyan, the parents are taking advantage. Please take the little money that you have and you will go to school. If you go with nothing, then you should be interrogated. And if on a case-by-case basis, they find that you are totally unable to pay anything, still the child should not go home. But if you can, you must pay. I thank you, and we empathize with you. Finally, I brought special
government. We are putting in place measures. The monies that we have now is not enough to cover everybody. But I believe after this bill is out, it will open windows for philanthropies and corporates to inject in additional money so that in addition to what government is giving, we are able to support and help everybody.
One thing about school fees, I have said that as we comply with the government requirements, for those few who still have to pay fees, primary school is free, so there's nothing like fees. Day secondary schools are free. But for the boarding schools, where boarding charges are charged, may I once again plead with our principals and head teachers to ensure that no child is sent home on account of school fees, both in the private and the public sector. Because people think I keep talking about public. Even the private schools,